Köyde жүрөбүз biz. Ошондой эле бул жакта. Бул жактан сурап көрөлү. Баягыдай эле өзүбүздүн таркаттай эле башка улуттагы адамдардан кыргызча кандай билиши ошол тууралуу бир аз маалымат алалы. Assalamu alaikum guys. Кандайсың? I have challenge and YouTube challenge and I'm asking which day you are living in the Kyrgyzstan, right?
You are making video?
Yeah, I'm making the video so my question is, do you know the Kyrgyz language? For example, you know, I already know.
Very little.
Huh?
Very little.
Чуть-чуть.
No, it's чуть-чуть is in Russian. In Kyrgyz.
Немного.
That one also Russian.
Это Сенен атом кем.
Okay, good job.
Like Darwaza.
Ramazan.
Ramazan, Parda.
Arzan, yeah.
Dushman.
Dushman.
Dost.
Немного. Dost, good job. For example, huh? Badrang, good job, first. Then, so, okay, so do you know there's some questions and I can translate you and you can remember that one. For example, sometimes when you meet the Kyrgyz people or Kyrgyz guys or Kyrgyz girls.
Kandaysiz.
How long you here?
How old are you?
How long you here in Kyrgyzstan? 4 years. So, you must speak in Kyrgyz language, like For example, I've been in Dubai.
Yes.
So I know just I've been like only a little bit there, but I know कैसा है,
कैसे हो, क्या कर रहे हो? अच्छा है.
ठीक है.
ठीक है.
So try to learn. Чуть-чуть. Not чуть-чуть. Кичне. Yes, that one is good. So thank you guys.
Welcome.
For this one. Thank you. Бұл жақта да бір English дос тұрады, ошондон бир сурап көрөлү. Assalamu alaikum, bro. How are you? I have a channel here and I'm making the video. Do you know any verbs in Kyrgyz language?
Yes.
Which kind of verbs you know?
Азыр калем.
Hazır kalem. Then?
Мен азыр кетишим керек.
Then, good job, bro.
Менин шашылышып атам.
Then, good job.
Кандайсыз, жакшы. Еще учусь я.
Окей, tamam, bro. Дагы үйрөнүп атам. Дагы үйрөнүп жатам.
Как это?
Это будет I'm learning again, and I will try to learn more.
Yes.
Yeah.
Я учусь.
Я учусь, это будет на русском, in Russian language. Окуу атам, үйрөнүп атам, in Kyrgyz language will be. Thank you, bro. Good job. Where are you from? Pakistan. See you, bro. Так, булар бүттү, эми жакта да бир аз жүрүшөт жигиттер. Ошолордон сурап көрөлү. Ошолор кыргызча кандай билеби, кандай экен. Буларга мен жабык азыр бир гана кыргызча сүйлөп көрөйүн. Это кыргызча сүйлөсөм, жооп берсе, анан көрөлү. Assalamu alaikum. Кандайсыздар балдар? Do you know Kyrgyz language?
No, English.
Why in English? You in the Kyrgyzstan. So guys, I have channel here, YouTube channel, and so I'm asking the people, which is the Sinestrange people, do you know any English Kyrgyz language when you hear? Do you know any verbs?
No. Чуть-чуть. Бир, эки.
Then?
Два, три, четыре.
No, it's Russia. 3-4 is Russia in Kyrgyz. Бир, эки. Элүү. Жыйырма. For example, your teacher is came, yeah? When you study.
Ардане барбе.
Huh?
अर्जाने बार पे 7 कांचा बोल दो बस
So thank you, bro. You was
Shundung,
telling me
Nick
you don't know
Shundung.
any verbs. I was scared, you know. Do you know any verbs, bro? No need to shy, bro.
वेरी शाय पर्सन
interested in video.
No, it's no problem. Just only one verb. You know, I know.
I don't know anything.
No, bro, it's not.
Even
bro.
a single word I don't
know?
know the single word.
Where are you from?
He's new. I'm new.
You from India, yeah?
I'm from Pakistan.
You're from Pakistan.
Pakistan.
I know in Pakistan how are you? You know, I'm Kyrgyz. I didn't been in the Pakistan, but I can tell you.
But-
Kaisa hai?
But I don't know that. Even a single
कैसा
word.
है
Kaisa hai? Take care. Acha.
ठीक है अच्छा
You know, it's I know, but
Kak dila,
he
kak
is in
dila.
the Kyrgyzstan, but he don't know. It's not good, am I right?
You are new.
Yeah, I know, bro. Thank you. He knows, but
He's old student.
yeah,
We are new.
I know you are new, but try to learn in Kyrgyz language. For you will be easy. For us also will be easy, because you know it's someone will meet here
दादा we need
and they need to learn it. For example, bro, I will teach you now Kandai. Teach him also Kandai. Tamam? Yeah, bro. See you guys. Thank you. No need to be shy, bro. Thanks, bro.